Okay, so hello, it's summer and I'm back, and now we're going to bleach shoes because this is very much needed if you watch my removing tar from my shoe video. So I've actually already filmed this and I want to refilm it because I sounded very dead when I filmed it the first time, so we're redoing it. Okay, so it's a few days later. I'm just being awful with fixing these shoes. It's just not going well. So basically we let the borax sit on here for a while. Didn't do anything. So next thing we're gonna do is the way I normally bleach these shoes, because these are those shoes I said that they were actually originally off-white. But then my mom thought they were supposed to be white because they were so dirty, so then she bleached them with just clorox cleanup spray thingy. Yeah. So this is the shoe that's completely white. It's just a little dirty from wearing it, like whatever. But we're gonna bleach that one again anyway because we have to bleach this one, and this one doesn't need to be whiter than that one because I'd just be stupid, you know? Anyway, I bleached, these are the shoes that had tar on them. These have already been bleached once, but this one didn't come out that great, so we're gonna bleach it again. This one was around the same color as this, like really dingy and gross looking, but now after I bleached it, because I'm going to flip back and forth between clips I'm about to film and clips I've already filmed. So you'll get to see these being bleached, and you'll get to see this shoe being re-bleached, and then we're going to bleach these right here. Anyway, so this does work. These shoes were originally off-white, so that's why the foxing right here is like dingy, gross. But yeah, the shoe itself is white. So this does work, just by the way. And so yeah, today we're going to be bleaching this shoe again because I'm not sure how the heck to remove tar stains as of right this instant, but I'm going to try to remove them as I can. But I decided actually to just customize these shoes just on my own. I'm going to order a whole new pair. So we're going to bleach. You can kind of see where it's like there's parts on here that are like more white, and there's parts that are more like dingy looking. We're going to try our best to get these bleached. And actually, I used to own these shoes a while ago. I gave them to someone, but they didn't really wear them, and I was like, yo, if you don't wear them, can I just have them back? Like, I'll just wear them, you know? So these are very disgusting. These are the true white Vans slip-ons. They're very gross, so we're going to do our best to bleach them. So how we're going to do this is I recommend doing it in a bathtub because that's pretty much just the easiest thing to do. And my mom actually taught me how to do this, and she's always used just Clorox cleanup. This one is cleaner plus bleach. She's always used this, and it's always worked. So that's actually how I did this pair, which you'll see that too. We're just going to take the Clorox cleanup, we're going to spray it all over the shoe. You don't really have to do the bottom because that's not really that important, but if you want to, you can. You also don't really have to bleach the insides because, as you can see, the insides are dirty too, but if you want to, you can. That's cool too. Also, for these, since these are slip-ons, it's just going to be spraying everywhere. When you're bleaching these right here, any type of shoe with just, by the way, all of these shoes are cloth and just rubber, so these are fine to bleach. They're not, I don't recommend bleaching leather or suede. These are like the canvas old school Vans. These aren't the ones with the suede on the toes, so I don't recommend bleaching those. I don't really know. I don't think you're supposed to bleach suede, honestly, so don't recommend doing that. But if you want to, have a fun time. Anyway, these are just cloth. Both pairs of shoes are just cloth and then rubber. So yeah, which the inside of these, you can see where they were bleached, they're a whole lot cleaner looking than these. If you want to, you can. Oh, also, what I was trying to say is to make sure with these you bleach the laces. So like, which of course here on the top you just spray the bleach on here. But for the laces that are going to be tied, you want to bleach this side and the other side. Just make sure you do that. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. Just spray on the shoes and bathtub. Do what? Nice. Let's start out with just the shoe that's, you know, already white. This first shoe is completely soaked down, yeah. And now we're gonna do this one, which is the one where you can see, this is the one that was all messed up. So we're gonna try our best to get the tar stains out. And this is from the olive oil that we used. I'm not worried about that coming out. We're so worried about that. So first we start off with just putting all of the shoes in the bathtub. And we're gonna start off with this one first because I think she needs a little bit of extra work. So we're going to put the slip-ons to the side. We're just gonna do this one. To begin with, it may be smart to just go ahead and lay your laces out pretty straight so you can spray the bleach on them. And honestly, you could just go ahead and start bleaching the laces first. You just spray it on there. All right, next thing we're gonna do, I'm going to put the laces in the shoe for now so they're out of the way, so when I go to spray the actual shoe, they won't be in the way. So now you're literally just going to spray this on the shoe. And just make sure you literally get everywhere. I'm going to slightly bleach on the inside. It'll also be smart to kind of bleach the tongue of the shoes. We're gonna pull the laces back out for this. Just spray the top of the tongue. So that's pretty much this shoe. We're gonna hope she comes out a little bit better than last time. So now we're gonna move on to the slip-ons. This is literally the same process except for you don't have laces. I'm also spraying the rubber foxing part. Which, I mean, honestly, you probably could just take anything like a toothbrush and just some cleaning stuff. Whether it be soap or you could even scrub the bleach on there, whatever you want to actually clean that part of the shoe. Also make sure, because you just sprayed bleach all over these shoes in your bathtub, make sure you rinse out your bathtub. It'd be the same thing as you normally cleaning it, but I recommend you rinsing this out because who wants to stay in bleach while they shower? Before we rinse it out, we're going to take all of the shoes and go put them in the washing machine. Now, my mom recommended, because I actually washed a pair of checkered Vans, like black and white checkered, and of course I didn't bleach them. She recommended washing them with towels because the towels will scrub the shoes and that could also help you. So if you have any white towels you want to throw in, that could also be a good thing to do. Also, another thing I do is I pour just liquid bleach into it, so then they can be bleached with this too. So my shoes are in the washing machine. I'm about to bleach them. They're gonna come out white. Anyway, like I said, my mom recommended at one point to just like have towels in there. So currently we just have a few towels on the floor that just need to be washed anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in with the shoes. So everything can just be, you can see the shoes right here. Everything's just gonna be washed and bleached together. It'll be a fun time. Also, since I'm washing towels, I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of detergent. And like I said, make sure you do rinse out your shower. That's a very important step. Thoroughly wash your hands because you were dealing with bleach, and I'll be back when the shoes are white. So it's been, I don't even know how much longer later, but this shoe is the one that wasn't messed up. It's completely white again, so that's cool. But this one still has spots on it, so I guess time to figure out something else to do. So I mean, especially in some sort of conclusion, don't put olive oil on cloth. It stains it, because like that right there is probably mixed between tar and olive oil, but like that's still stained and there wasn't any tar up here. That's olive oil. That stains your clothing, so that thing is wrong. That Google thingy told me wrong. Don't put olive oil on clothing. Okay, so it's hours later and the shoes have been washed. This one that was all like dingy and everything is completely back to the way it was the first time I washed it. The only issue is just where the tar was on the shoe and then those areas. But other than that, the shoe is white, so this does work, just by the way. Then since I didn't own these slip-ons for about a year, I don't know what the girl got on them, but yeah, there's all these like dots on there, so. Other than these random dots on here, the shoes are completely like back to normal. So I guess I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get these dots off. Other than that, as you can see, they are completely white. And literally all the dirt and everything came off of them. So in conclusion, if you don't have any freaking dye, I guess that's what this is, or tar on your shoes, this is gonna work completely fine because as you can see, this side of the shoe is completely white. It's like brand new looking except for that stupid tar. And these everywhere else, all of the dirt and everything came off. It's just these weird places. I don't know what that is. So other than that, if that's all you're trying to get off is just make your shoes white again, this works completely well. I highly recommend doing this, and yeah, anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. We'll maybe do an update at some point on what happens to these shoes because I don't know what crap happened here. So I might be having to buy new white slip-ons now. I thought I was only gonna have to buy new white old schools, but I don't know what the heck's going on. Anyway, so thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, turn on your notifications because like why not? And I post every Saturday, so come back next Saturday. I mostly post vlogs and funny stuff, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I'm gonna go. I'm really gonna go. I'm gonna go. Bye.